Hello and welcome back to Autobrine. I'm Abdelhadi Shaffa and today we are at Alferdous for cars to show you the great aspects of the 2019 Hyundai Tucson. Stay with us.
This vehicle has a smart key. Using the buttons, you'll be able to lock and unlock the car. But before we continue, please support us by subscribing to our channel, hit the like button, and share the video with your friends. Thanks indeed. To start, push the brake pedal and hit start-stop button. A 360-degree cameras appear on the screen. Camera angles can be customized. Six-speed automatic transmission CVVT with manual shiftability. Let's turn on the headlamps, fog lights, and the hazards. Automatic driver's side window. When exiting with the key in your pocket. The car chimes letting you know it lost detection of the key. The Tucson has multiple advantages, such as a spacious interior, advanced safety equipment, comfort drive, and excellent steering. It has LED high and low beams. Front parking sensors and the front camera. The side mirrors contain welcome lights and cameras. The car is 4.48 meters long, 1.85 meters wide, and it weighs 1.5 tons. The rear suspension is independent multi-link. The front suspension is a McPherson struts independent. Rear daytime and brake lights are LED. Rear parking sensors and backup camera. Dual sporty exhausts. Electric tailgate. With a capacity of 878 liters. When folding the rear seats, it extends to 1,543 liters. I'm 1.8 and I have a good amount of legroom and headroom as well. Armrest with cup holders. And now let's check the engine. It has a petrol T-GDI double overhead cam 16 valve, 4-cylinder 1.6 liter that produces 177 horsepower and 265 Newton meters of torque, sending the power to the front wheels. Hyundai says that the car can do a distance per liter of 16 kilometers highway, 10 kilometers city, and 13 kilometers combined. And now let's check the interior aspects. Eight ways electric driver's seat and lumbar support. Passenger's seat is electric except the lumbar. It has an 8-inch touch display that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Radio and presets. Manual selection. All menus. Phone pairing screen, and the shortcut menu hard buttons around, Blue Link, Mirror Link and Apple CarPlay, video, quick guide, radio, music, USB and current location. Sat Nav needs activation. Settings menu to adjust sound settings. Display and illumination, phone projection, voice commands, date and time, language, keyboard, screensaver, and advanced settings. The main menu can display two apps: an automatic dual-zone climate control, front seats are 3 stages, heated and ventilated. "12-volt USB and auxiliary connections, electronic handbrake, pull up to activate, push down to deactivate. Driving modes: Comfort, Eco and Sport. Cameras and parking sensors activation. Auto start stop. Handrest with a storage and tray. On the right side of the steering wheel, this button switches between the menu screens and the arrows to switch between options. Driver assistance, highway driving assistance, slow down highway assistant, driver attention alert, lane assist, collision brake assist, doors, lights, sound, maintenance and others. Sat Nav, lane keep assist, on the left side are voice commands, media controls, and hands-free phone. Blind spot alert that appears on both mirrors. Lane keep assist, traction control, electric tailgate, sunglasses container, reading lamps, sun visor and a light that turns off upon closing. Thank you so much for tuning in, and see you next time.